So I'm speaking with someone who's dealing with decades of manipulation, gaslighting, abuse, betrayal from her partner. She is in so much physical, mental, and emotional pain, turmoil, anguish. She's exhausted, digestive issues. She can't sleep. She's a mess. And so we talk about getting support. And then she says, well, my husband doesn't support, my decision to get help. Now, this is one of the biggest reasons why it's so important to move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. One of the things we see all the time is when people are in stages 4 and 5, that's when they have new ideas for a business, new ideas for something that could bring in, some income. That's when they have more confidence to promote what it is they're doing. So financial independence is one of the reasons why people can stay in an abusive relationship. And one of the best ways out of it is through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. The financial independence comes with the clarity and the insight that you can't get when you're in stages 2 and stage 3. Once you've moved through your trauma, then it's almost like you're like, wow, if I can do that, what else can I do? And the doors open up to all different kinds of things. So if you find that you're struggling, if you find that the reason why you're sticking around is because you can't afford to be on your own, move through the stages so you can become financially independent and then make your best decisions from there. Now, who knows? Maybe that'll inspire your partner to make some changes, and then you decide if that's what you want to deal with. But if not, you don't have to make your decisions out of fear. You make them out of clarity, and you make them out of strength. So move through the stages, and your thinking, your decisions, your life will be so much clearer. Hope that helps.